All right, real quick before we get into the video today, wanted to quickly remind you guys that we've got CK Squared going on tomorrow, the 28th, down at Sarpy County Fairgrounds. This is a show for square bodies only, everything from lifted, lowered, swapped, and everything in between. It's a great show to be at. You should be there, but a big reason why you should be there is because we're gonna have a tent set up down there with a bunch of square body specific parts, but we're running 10% off lift kits from Rough Country. So that is all Rough Country lift kits, excluding Vertex coilover systems, are going to be 10% off. We're going to be able to take deposits and orders down at the show at our tent. So come see us, come check out some badass square bodies. And other than that, let's get to the content. Well, I would say it's not very often that we have 3 Jeeps in here, but it's pretty often around here. So, real quick rundown of what we got going on today. The Jeep behind you here, one that you've seen multiple times. We've done plenty of stuff to it. It is getting Aries fenders and Aries inner fenders. And so all metal fenders, pretty sweet on there. And then what we've got going on this Gladiator, we got a full build on this one. Getting a 2.5-inch Rough Country kit, getting some fuel blitzes, Falcon AT tires, and as you can see, they're putting on the sport rack right now. That's one of the first ones that we've done. And then over here on this red Jeep, we've got a few things going on this one as well. Rugged Ridge front bumper, we've got a Deviate rear bumper, and we've got the Bulldog 9,500-pound winch on there. So, like I said, 3 Jeeps in the shop at once, all should be totally different when they leave. So out of the 3 Jeeps that we had in the shop yesterday, one of them is already gone. They picked it up before we even had a chance to get a video or pictures on it, unfortunately, but it is what it is. That's the way it works. But we've got this Gladiator all finished up here. So this thing looks freaking sweet. I love the sport bar on there. That's the first one that we've done on a Gladiator. And so it is, it definitely sets the tone on this build. We've got the fuel blitzes, the Falcon AT3W tires, the Rough Country 2.5-inch lift, NFAB Epic steps, and then, like I said, the Fab 4 sport bar on the back. So this thing definitely changed the entire look of this. Makes it look a lot more, more better, we'll say. And Jeep 2 of 3 that were in the shop is finally out. We've got the MCE flat fenders on there. So pretty simple, inexpensive. They're plastic, but they are heavy duty. Like, they're heavy duty on there. And so got the Aries aluminum inner fenders on there. So we always are a big fan of those. Awesome fit, work really well with many other fender applications on there. So pretty happy with the fit of this, so I'm sure the customer is going to be happy with it. And I think he's pretty much done with this Jeep. It's been in here multiple times, but I think this was the last thing that he wanted to do. So maybe you'll see it again, maybe you won't. All right, so today we've got Flair's Daily in here, his Super Duty. This is one that we've done plenty of work on. It's got a leveling kit, Nitto ridge grapplers. It's got a ranch hand front grill guard on it, but he liked the Titan fuel tank that we did in the tow pig in his Ram not too long ago. He liked it so much that we decided that we were gonna put it in here because he uses this one just as much as he uses that truck. So good option to put it in there. So this is gonna change it to a 55-gallon fuel tank in this. Don's taking the old one down right now, and soon you'll be seeing the new one in there. Flair's truck, once again, all done. This thing, like I said, got the Titan 55-gallon fuel tank underneath the body, just like you saw in the time lapses and everything. So this is gonna allow him to run between all of his properties and fill up probably about half as many times as he normally does. So real quick though, I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but he's got the ranch hand front bumper grill guard on here. This is the Legend series. This was put on, I think probably almost a year ago now. We did the bed liner on it from our boys up at Titan Automotive Coatings. Ready lift, 2.5-inch lift kit on here, or leveling kit. And then we did the Fox shocks underneath here, something that I highly recommend for any straight axle diesel truck. Then we did a set of Nitto ridge grappler, 35, 12, 50, 20s. We had 37s on it. He prefers the 35s, so that's what we switched back to. But as you can see, all of his trucks run the ridge grapplers, and there's a big reason for that, and that's because they hold up to the type of conditions that he's running in. So big reason why we go with those. But other than that, he's ready to pick it up. We got some other work to do in the shop, so we'll get after it. So this, the end of this video is gonna sound like crap because Tyler lost the mic. I don't know how you do that. Give yourself a round of applause.
Yeah, we're just not gonna talk about that.
Anyways, over here, we got this Ram Long Boy 5500. It's getting a new front bumper with the grill guard. I believe. Hey Nate, is this ranch hand?
I think Fab Fours.
Fab Fours. Fab Fours front bumper with the grill guard on there. We actually have a second one that's going on a truck later today for the same customer. And so this one's sprayed by our guys up at Titan Automotive Coatings, and that's pretty much it. That's all this one's getting, and he's bringing us another one here in a little bit. One of two trucks are done. This one, obviously, Fab Fours front bumper with the grill guard on there. Tons of protection on this thing, especially with being sprayed from our guys at Titan with the bed liner coating on it. That's gonna help keep it from rusting as quickly as they normally would, but also add a little bit of protection to it on this heavy duty bumper here. So truck number 2 coming up.
8 hours later.
Truck number 2 in the shop here. As you can see, Fab Fours bumper going on this one as well. Another Ram, 2500 this time. Mike's over here already looking like he's working, but we know he's not. But yeah, should be finishing up this one up shortly. Ram number 2 is done, out of the shop. Fab Fours front bumper on here. This guy, pretty much every single truck that he buys gets either a ranch hand, a Fab Fours, or I think he's done one Trail Effects front bumper with the grill guard. I mean, he uses these things. He's on the railroad all the time. I mean, these are out here for use. He hits a lot of stuff from what I hear. So it's one of those. We do enjoy working on these. They are very simple, and as you can see, look very good on here.
Why you mad? no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it.
What's up, everybody? We bought an XJ. We bought it a while ago and it hasn't ran. And so we finally decided, since I don't have a vehicle anymore, this is it. So as you can see, this thing's a beauty. We love it. I think I'm gonna name it Tetanus. You can tell why. But anyways, so this thing's a 98 or 99 or 2000 or 2001, somewhere in that range Cherokee. Pretty much when we got this thing, it death wobbled if you looked at it wrong. So what we did, we put the new steering on it, as you saw in the bottom underneath there, full upgrade from Rough Country. And then the tires were absolutely shot on there, and the only wheels and tires that we had sitting around were these 24s that we picked up like 2 years ago and haven't ever put them on anything. I think we bought them for like $150 for the whole set. I think they're perfect for this. Absolutely perfect. I've already got offers on them. Like, somebody drove by and asked me if they could purchase these wheels. I'm not selling them. They're not for sale. When the Comanche gets back, who knows, they'll go on there. I don't know. We got a Ranger sitting in back. That'll probably get them. But no, this thing is mint condition. I love it. The keys broke. It's gonna get stuck in the ignition at some point here. The rust is really nice. The front two windows don't work and the AC don't work, so it's nice. But we love it. We love this thing. Absolutely love this thing. So we've got some plans with it. But for right now, that's my daily. Who knows? Maybe it'd be permanent. I don't know.
Hey Chris, I need an outro.
An outro for the video?
Yep.
All right, man. Thanks for watching. Like and share our videos. We're gonna be in Springfield this weekend at the CK Square Body Show. There's only gonna be square bodies at that show. We're running a 10% Rough Country discount only at that show. See us down there, and I guess it's all for this video, right?
Yep.
See you guys next week.